Anyone else coming to play airsoft, or is it just me?
Oh, we're here to look sexy. Sexy and I know it.
That's true.
I know, right? You got your guns and semi, guys?
Hit! Nice shot. They're just in here. Hit! Gun hit! Hit!
Come on, maybe you're pushing. On the ball!
Yeah, I see one. He's pushing. Yep, they've got the barrel and they're left in the river. They're going to the creek. Hit, gun hit. Hit! 1 minute! Hit! 19, 18, 17, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, game off! Woo! Don't be too hard on them. Hit! Hit! Can't quite reach them. Ooh. Gun hit! Hit! Good shot, right in the eyes, mate.
Okay, calling it.
Game off!
Game off!
Well done. Hit! Oh, Matt's up the front. Drag me back.
Okay, there's 2 in the back, 1 behind the green bush. Green bush. The green bush?
The green bush, are you sure?
Just confirming green bush. Is he friendly? Well, that's a hit. Hi!
Matt just got shot. Medic up here.
Medic.
Alright. He's hit.
Yes, I was. Another one there. Drag him to me. It's Ewan. You go right down there. Yeah, he's gone.
Hit.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Just wondering. I might do the same.
Charge!
Okay.
I'm not sure where he is.
Hey, medic, please.
Alright, hit!
Behind that bush right there.
He got him! Nice! Hey, you knew that was Johnsy! How far is the guy in here?
Oh, no problem.
Don't know.
Like on the side of the tree.
Okay, give me 4 runners or 3 runners with me. Hit! Alright, let's go! Let's go! Run, run! That hit? Did you call hit? So you guys both hit? Oh. Nice, well done.
Go, 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 go.
Got him. Then.
Just end up in there. Unless they move down.
I counted 7 walking up.
I'm gonna go in here. Got him! Nice!
There he is.
Oh. That was a good hiding spot, mate. We wouldn't have seen you. Did you see him or just spray?
Spray and pray. Just watch your back, Mark. Ouch!
He's hit, he's hit.
He's hit,
He's hit. Nice one.
I was looking.
I thought you had me. I was like, oh shit, I'm in a fire.
You're right, Chris. One to the right, to the right. Hard in there. Oh, he's got him. He's out.
Yep.
Hit.
Oh, yeah, that's a hit. That's a hit. No shot.
Left side. In the bush. Let's go. You go. You two as well. Move up.
Go.
Oh, sorry. Spray and pray, man.
You look like you could use a cold. It's preferably something with alcohol.
Oh, yeah. Hit! Yep, to the right. Medic, drag him back.
Hit. One.
Okay, someone grab him and drag him too. Nice one. Medic up.
Both.
Okay. Yep. There's one just there, I got him. Got him. Might be someone else, you reckon? Well, we've got all the buildings though. We'll call it. Game off!